do this video open. It is, we want to first import some of our footage. And so we had some some pictures, and you can use pictures for this final project or for this open project. If you import from that folder that you downloaded, campus photos, just import all of them. I think they're all okay. Don't worry about some of them that are unsupported. So you should see several campus photos. Tanya gave me these to use. And so let's open up the disclosure triangle that says edit. So there's edit, final, assets, campus photos. Open up the edit. And if you open up shot, you'll see that there are 9 different shot sequences. And it's relatively easy to, so what they typically will do if you get a template, they'll make it easier for you, so you just a matter of just dropping and replacing. So this is shot 1, so let's double click shot 1, okay? And you'll see, so there's already been, I don't know if they've added anything to this. So with shot 1, we want to replace this footage. Okay, it tells you replace, 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 replace. So let's replace that piece of footage with one of these pictures. So you can choose whichever picture you want, and you'll have to scale it, by the way. Let's put College Hall on top of there, okay? So right now College Hall is there, and as you can see it's little. So you go to Effect Controls, and then adjust the scale, so make it big. All right, so that's shot 1. And then open up shot 2 sequence. And let's choose security headquarters. That's all right. So replace it. I could have used the actual replace. And that one looks like it's okay. And so let's go to shot 3. And Multicultural Center. I can actually use the replace button. That's kind of big too. You can zoom this one out. Right about there. So let's see what this looks like so far. Okay, so I'm going to open up, rather than this, actually we'll go to this final sequence. Again, we want to open up this main scene sequence. Let's see what scene 1 looks like. So as you can see in the background, there is College Hall. And then you scroll through scene 2, you'll see that this is the multicultural building. And then the third one should be the police, right? Or opposite, I don't remember which one was which. Okay, so that's what it should look like so far. So how do we adjust the graphics? Well, I don't know, let's go to titles. So we see titles. Double click. There you go. There's a title. So let's replace that. You can put new. Oops, let's make it all caps. And you can change the font. You probably have to select it again. I'm going to go back to my Bebas New because I like it. Okay. And then, so that's 1. Title 2. New, open, and change it to mine that I like, but you can change it to whatever one you want. And then look at title 3, 4. Papas new. So then you'll see, if you go back to the main scene, you'll see our new graphics in there. New. Open. 4. So what I want you to do for the rest, for the project this week, is I want you to replace these titles, the rest of these titles, and replace these shots, the rest of these shots. Okay, there's a few more in there. And then you'll need to render this entire final sequence and then upload that into Canvas.